Yes!
Finish! Winner!
Mamma mia! Oh!
That way, that way, that way. That way, that way, that way.
Original, and it's me!
Quick! Go with us, Anton! We'll protect you! Yeah, there's only one way to fight an army of Antons! We need a bigger army of Antons! That's a great idea! Haven't you learned anything today? That you mostly have bad ideas? Yes. But more importantly, it's bad to play with life this way. Unless we get awesome scientific progress from it, I guess. And because of us, our friend is in danger!
Давай, давай! Медведи, теперь поем песню и выпрашиваем конфеты. А кто будет плохо петь, тот будет съеден. Конфетка, конфетка, мы друзья! Конфетка, конфетка, мы друзья! Конфетка, конфетка, мы друзья! Конфетка, конфетка, мы друзья! Вы меня забыли!
Добавим ему копье в руку.
Цыпы, за мной! Цыпы, за мной! Цыпы, за мной!
Так, еще одного соберем. Я, правда, не знаю.
All right, the Tubbies are now in the backyard. They just have to go 3 times around.
Oh boy, Roundy! Here come the cloudy carts!
Whoa, that's so cool! I wish I could ride in a cloudy cart.
Yeah, that looks like fun!
And my stampede for stampede!
Once upon a time, but not so long ago. Now I know how a milkshake feels.